Do you know that your computer might actually be lying to you? You can change your system core from i5 to i7 or i9. I changed mine from i5 to i7. Press Windows plus R to open the run box, then type regedit in it. Then click on hkey local machine. Select hardware, select description, then select system, then the central processor. So the 0 to 7 folders you are seeing there means my CPU has 8 logical processors. Computer counts from 0. Right click on processor name, then click on modify. I will only change from Core i5 to Core i7 for the sake of this class. Then after clicking OK, repeat the same process to the other 7 folders. The essence of this video is for you to have knowledge of this so that when next you are buying a system, probably if you're not buying directly from the company, when you're buying maybe a fairly used system, you can be able to check this yourself and not get deceived. Wait till the end of the video. So I will close the settings and open the settings again to check. Now you see my system core has changed from Core i5 to Core i7.